February 22nd, 2016. Today is day 22. I just got back from the store. 6:09 p.m. I got the lineup for the next 3 days. We got the good old Bud Ice, good King Cobra. These are both big ones, 25 ounces. And I got the good old trusty Old English 800. That is a 24 ounce. Today, we're going to start with the Bud Ice. And we're going to move on to the Cobra and the Old English. So, I got my lineup of tall cans for the next 3 days. Well, next 2 days since this one's going today. Let's go ahead and get these guys out. And go with the Bud Ice. So, I can't remember the last time I've had a Bud Ice. It was probably sometime in like high school. After high school, I was 21. I wasn't underage drinking. Never. So, the Bud Ice, it is a 25 ounce. It's called the big one. It is, you can barely see it, it is 5.5% alcohol by volume. 1.99 fluid ounces. Let's go ahead and crack this guy open. I want to remember what this stuff tastes like. I will find out. I'll let you guys in right now. Alright, hold on. Give me 1 second. I gotta let the dogs in. Come on, you beasts. Alright. Smells like a lager. Number 22, the Ice. See you tomorrow.